Ever wonder why Google stock just keeps climbing even when the market looks shaky? It's not hype. It's not luck. Today, I'm breaking down the real reasons Google keeps rising and why investors continue to trust this stock long term. First things first, Google prints money. Google's core business is advertising, and it dominates Google search, YouTube ads, Google Display Network. Every time someone searches, watches a YouTube video, or runs ads online, Google takes a cut. What makes this powerful? Recurring revenue, massive profit margins, global dominance. Even during slow economies, businesses can't stop advertising, and Google stays at the center of that ecosystem. Many investors still underestimate YouTube. YouTube is the #1 video platform in the world. A massive advertising engine. Expanding into subscriptions, premium, and TV, YouTube alone generates tens of billions in annual revenue, and it's still growing. As ad budgets shift from traditional TV to digital video, YouTube benefits the most. This is where things get exciting. Google isn't just an ad company, it's an AI powerhouse. Key AI advantages: search powered by AI Google Cloud, AI services, Gemini AI models. Data advantage from billions of users, AI improves search results and cloud demand, which directly boosts revenue and efficiency. And here's the key: Google owns the data that trains AI better than almost anyone. Another reason Google keeps rising: financial strength. Google holds massive cash reserves, low debt, and consistently buys back its own stock. Why buybacks matter: fewer shares outstanding, higher earnings per share, strong signal of confidence. Institutions love companies that reward shareholders while still growing. Big money loves Google because it checks every box: market dominance, long-term growth, AI exposure, strong margins, reliable cash flow. That's why pension funds, hedge funds, and ETFs continue to accumulate Google even on pullbacks. So why does Google keep rising? Because it's not just a tech stock, it's a business empire built on ads, data, AI, and cash flow. If you're thinking long term, Google isn't about timing the market. It's about owning quality. Comment below: are you bullish or bearish on Google long term? And if you want weekly stock breakdowns, AI trade ideas, and market insights, hit the link below and grab my free trading checklist. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.